Hi, welcome to Makers Fab. April 15, 2019, scientists in Israel unveiled a 3D print of a heart with human tissues and vessels on Monday, calling it a first and a major medical breakthrough that advances possibilities for transplants. While it remains far away off, scientists hope one day to be able to produce hearts suitable for transplants into humans as well as patches to regenerate defective hearts. Dr. Thaldir, one who led the project, said that the first time anyone anywhere has successfully engineered and printed an entire heart with cells, blood vessels, ventricles, and chambers. But he also said that so many challenges remains before fully working 3D printed hearts would be available for transplants into patients. The cells are now only able to contract, but do not yet have the ability to pump. Maybe in 10 years, there will be organ printers in the finest hospital around the world which prints human organs for transplants.